Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. This one is my neon glitter placement gradient tutorial. So first off, I use the Barry M's cotton jelly polish. This is my go-to white polish. I apply 2 thin coats of this polish to my nail. This is the base for my gradient. And then I use Seche Vite to make my glitters stick to my nail. The glitters are from Charlie's Nail Art. They're available now. They're 75p a pack. I've got my own discount code NGF15 for 15% off Charlie's Nail Art. So as you can see here with the dotting tool, I'm just placing the glitters onto the nail. What you need to do is you need to make sure that you put in more glitters at the top as it is a gradient, and then obviously applying fewer as you go down the nail. Back to the Charlie's Nail Art brand. Charlie's Nail Art ship worldwide. They have a variety of nail art supplies, so check them out at www.charliesnailart.co.uk, where you will not be disappointed. So as you can see, my design is building up. A couple more glitters and then we're done. And then I use the Barry M matte top coat to finish off my design. Don't forget guys, if you like my videos, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.